In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a OneDrive link. Let's get started by navigating over to Microsoft's OneDrive page. You can do this by simply searching for Microsoft OneDrive in your preferred web browser or, if you have it saved, clicking directly by using a bookmark. Once you've arrived on the OneDrive homepage, you'll notice a variety of options right before you. However, the main focus should be on the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Upon clicking the Sign In button, you will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll see an option to create one, but for today, we're assuming you already have an account. So, go ahead and enter your details to log in. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on your personalized OneDrive homepage. Now that you're signed in, take some time to appreciate your OneDrive interface, where all your folders and files are neatly organized. The next step is to select the specific file or folder you wish to share with others. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice some options appear along the top navigation area. Keep an eye out for a button labeled Share. This step is crucial because it allows you to create a link that you can easily share with others. Next, go ahead and click on the Share button. Upon doing so, a new window or section will pop up, presenting various sharing options. This is the part where you get to decide who can see or edit the files you're planning to share. By default, you'll usually find a setting that lets anyone with the link view and edit the content. However, you can tweak these settings by clicking on the Anyone with the Link Can Edit option. This particular step offers a great deal of flexibility, allowing you to tailor the permissions according to your audience's needs. Whether you want the link to be view-only or editable on demand, these adjustments can be made here. Once you've finalized your link settings, it's time to press the Copy Link button. This action will generate the link, which you can now share with your friends, colleagues, or whomever you need to give access to. You can paste the link in an email, a message, or any other mode of communication you prefer for distribution. And there you have it. Creating a shareable OneDrive link is such a straightforward process, yet it's incredibly effective in enhancing the way you collaborate and share information online.